today?
We're baking star cookies.
Yes.
And snowflake cookies.
And snowflake cookies.
Star snowflakes.
We kind of mixed it wrong already, but we're just gonna wing it.
We're gonna just hope for the best. Yep.
We're supposed to make sugar in this, but the sugar is in here. They said all the dry ingredients in there. They should have specified a little more. It smells good though.
Matthew, it is on. You just literally
Alright,
splatter on the floor.
You gotta bring it over.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and start, and I'll pour it in. We're about to have some lumpy cookies. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe.
Maybe. No lie.
Maybe not.
I think we're fine.
This seems like a lot less than I thought it would.
Yeah, how much does this make?
4 dozen.
Really?
Yeah, that's what it said.
4 dozen?
Doesn't look
That's
like
some
4 dozen.
tiny ass cookies.
Or we could just try again.
Yeah,
It's true.
We have way more.
Yeah.
Okay, where are the shape
It
of the
says keep
cookies?
stirring until you have dough-like.
And then we got some gold sugar.
Why are you tasting it?
You're supposed to taste it.
No, stop tasting it.
And red and green. Glitter. No, that's not glitter. What is this called again? Sprinkles.
No, you're not done yet.
Mixing?
Yeah. It has to have a dough-like consistency.
How's a dough-like consistency?
That's
dough-like.
That's what you're supposed to cut the cookies with. Like, it's supposed to be harder.
Yeah, Matthew. It's gonna go all over the floor. Oh, so these are the shapes of the cookies that we're gonna make. The star and the snowflake.
Alright, so what's the flowered circus are we?
Which one's your favorite? Snowflake or star?
High power.
Right? Should we use both?
Sure.
Right. Some flour. It's lightly floured.
Alright, look, I got this. Watch. You do this, right? And then you take it. And then you put it up. And then like that.
Right.
Now.
Do we have to use the board? Like, can we just use the island?
We could, but I'd rather not. I don't know.
Because it has a big clean, maybe?
Exactly.
That's why you put like what is it called?
Where's the mixture? There it is.
That's why you put this.
Yeah.
On top, and then you put the flour.
Uh-oh.
What was that?
Maybe you're supposed to flour your hands.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, you already did that, right?
The-
Or did you wash your hands?
Why? Yeah, I did. It's cats.
You let him out again. It worked.
Did you clean these already?
Yeah.
Issue.
No. No, it's not done. I told you made it too big. Here, let me see.
Oh, it's like extra flour.
Well, yeah, you put a lot of flour on this thing.
Maybe we should go ahead and do a bigger glob of it. Just gently do it.
Okay, now cut. And then we take all the dough. confectioners.
Where do we put this on the wine rack?
And
The baking
on the
sheet.
baking sheet. Oh, switch right on. Wait, why didn't you just push it in there? No,
No, look, it's okay. It's Patrick. It's fine.
You're fired.
That's yours.
It's fine. I'm gonna enjoy it too. We should do more. Like, we can do more at one time. Oh, you're putting all the flour in it. Mmm, yum. Are we supposed to like let it sit out or something?
No? That's bread. We can redo
Okay,
it.
let me do it.
What if we just add more flour?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna
Yeah.
do. Hold this.
Hold on, I gotta clean this off there. Don't I? No?
Put it back in there. Oh. This is a little bit better.
No, it's not.
Why is the consistency like this though? Like usually it's not supposed to be like this.
Maybe it's because the sugar. Maybe? Or maybe it's just actually. Maybe it just needs more flour.
Yeah, I think we need more.
Like I told you it wasn't mixed enough and you said it was.
That's it. Let me. I'll mix it.
We need something to.
Wait,
make
you need to put the rest of this in there.
stick it
The rest
together.
of what?
This.
Oh yeah, sure. Tiffany, let me see that.
Yeah, put it in
glop.
there. Put that glop in that bowl.
It is stuck to my hands.
Ah! It's dropping!
Watch your fingers. I forgot my. It hurts. I don't feel good.
Help! I don't know. It's stuck.
Just wipe it off on the side.
I feel like if it's too sticky, we could just add more flour, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think we should add more flour.
I'll bring in more flour. Here's your thing. How much flour did you put in? 1 3/4, right? Yeah. Just add.
Might be.
I got a little bit.
Wait,
That's
it's
nice.
not actually getting thicker. Well, now probably a little bit. I don't make it too thick. Then.
Oh. Okay, you getting somewhere?
Hold on. I wouldn't keep adding it. You're gonna make it taste not. That's good.
Put more sugar?
No, it's fine. Just keep it like this. Let's see how this is doing. It's about the same.
Can you stop eating it?
We're supposed to eat it. You gotta make sure it tastes okay. We definitely cannot add any more flour. It doesn't taste bad, but if we add more flour,
So it needs more sugar.
okay, just keep.
So this is the first batch. It didn't turn out that good. Now we're making a second batch. Because we had to throw away the first batch. It didn't turn out so well. Okay, so here are our lovely cookies. This is the end product. And what we did is like we made our own icing and then we sprinkled some gold or some red and green sprinkles on top. So we did it in different batches, honestly. And you can kind of tell which one is the best batch, are the thin cookies right here, because we figured it out that we actually need to press it down after we put the batter on. And we just gave up on doing the stars and the snowflakes because it was just too hard. And I figured out later that we were supposed to refrigerate the dough before we cut out the pieces, but whatever, my sister didn't want to do it. So these were the second batch and they're thicker and they actually have like a brownie consistency, which I don't like. And like, look how like big this is. Like this one's huge. Anyways, they The last batch, I think that was our third try. Actually tastes better and it looks better. So this is the result. So thank you for coming along and baking with us. I would call this like a baking fail, but I'll get the recipe in the description below if you guys want to follow it. Probably want to refrigerate your dough after you've made it and put it in the fridge for about like 1 to 2 hours. That's what I would recommend. It probably would have came out better. Oh, we do have 1 star here. That was our first batch, and we do have 1 snowflake somewhere around here. It's probably like buried deep in here. I don't know where it went. No. Well, anyways, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Luna. Luna. What are you doing up here? Huh? Huh? I'm talking to you. Want to say hi to the camera? Huh? Say hi, everybody. I'm trying to eat the cookies.